channel. My name is Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins, and today I'm continuing my World of Coins saga here. If you didn't watch my first video, my birthday is a few months out, but distant family friend, distant meaning that she lives in another state, sent me a whole bunch of coins from all over the world. And the coins I have yet to cover are these two bags and all these bags. And I got some of those videos coming your way. But today I got to thinking, a lot of these bags have a lot of coins in them. These are all coins from Germany. There's a lot of them, and I have a lot to cover. But there are certain countries that I have that only have one or two coins in there. I have one coin from Mexico, one from Bhutan, one from Estonia, 5 from the Netherlands, 1 from Norway, 1 from Bermuda, and 3 from South Africa. Today, I'm going to be covering the coins that I have that are of the rarity. Consider this video 7 countries and their rare coins or something like that. Whatever the title of the video is, that's what it's going to be named. I haven't thought of it yet, but I don't have to think of that for another couple of hours yet. So I got some countries to research, and I will start off with the Estonian coin. I could not find much on the 5 centi from Estonia, but what I could find was they were made from 1991 until 1995, and the period they were made in was the Second Republic, which was from 1991 until 2010. The composition is mostly brass. It's a smooth, rounded edge coin, and I have the 1991 version, and the value of those is about 19 cents. They may not be all that valuable money-wise, but sentimental-wise, and the fact I've never had any of these coins before, it's still a keeper. Next up is a coin from Bhutan, the Bhutanese 5 Chertum coin. The first type was produced from 1974 to 1975 at the facilities of the India Government Mint, while the second one was manufactured solely in 1979, the one I have, at the Royal Mint. A third piece was also struck in 1991 by the Korea Minting and Security Printing Corporation in South Korea, but it was never put into circulation. These coins have, the one from 1979 has a mass of 1.9 grams. It is 17.15 millimeters in diameter, about 1 millimeter thick, and it's made solely of bronze. The next coin up I only have one of is from Norway, the Norway ore coin from 1977. Their year is 1977. The period is King Olav V, which is 1958 to 1991. They are bronze, smooth and round, and there are about 29.6 million minted that were uncirculated, but are now circulated, and in the about 26 million minted, the average value goes from VG to uncirculated. Very good is about 18 cents. Fine is about 18 cents. Very fine is about 30 cents. And uncirculated is about 56 cents in value. The last coin I only have one of is from Mexico. It's a Mexican peso, more specifically the 50 peso coin. The Mexican peso is the 15th most traded currency in the world. The 3rd most traded currency is from the Americas, and the most traded is from Latin America. But more specifically with this 50 peso coin, the composition is copper nickel, and there were over 94,216,000 of these minted, and depends on the quality of this peso. You can get from anywhere from 31 cents to $1.08. The next set of coins I have are from Bermuda. The first one is the coin with a fish on the front of it. It's the Bermuda 5-cent piece. The one I have is from 2009, but they were made from 1999 until 2019, and it's Queen Elizabeth on the front of them. These 2009 Bermuda 5-cent piece coins, there were about 1.5 million minted, and the value in US dollars is about 96 cents. And from what I've seen, that's one of the higher values of these Bermuda coins. Some of them are as low as 16 cents. The last Bermuda coin I have is the Bermuda $1 coin. Mine in particular is from 1988. The year they were made were from said year to 1997, and they have Queen Elizabeth as the leader on it. The composition is a nickel brass material, and it is rated with a smooth section. In 1988, there were about 2 million minted, and the value of these is $2.63. The next coins I have are from South Africa. I have two 2-rand coins from South Africa. One is a special coin celebrating the 10 years of freedom, and the other one is this, a 2003 2-rand coin. And these were engraved by Arthur Sutherland. They have been the currency from 1961 to date, and in 2003 there were 5 million of them minted. In good condition, they're about 60 cents, and if you have them in uncirculated condition, they're about $2.20. The last South African coin that I have is the 20-cent piece, also from 2003. The year they were made were from 2003 to 2016, and the period is Republic of South Africa from 1961 to present. The composition of this coin is bronze-plated steel, and it's got a rated edge, and it's round-shaped. The 2003 coins, there were 56 million minted, and there were about 2,900 proof sets of these. If the value of the regular coin itself is about 33 cents. The last set of coins I don't have that many of is from Holland. I have 2 golden coins from Holland. The first coin I have is from 1980. The period was Queen Juliana from 1949 to 1980, and the composition of the coin is nickel. It's got lettered edge type, and there were 118,300,000 minted, and in US dollars they're worth about 34 cents. The next golden coin that I have is from 1994. The years this coin was minted was from 1982 to 2001, and the queen was Beatrix, who reigned from 1980 until 2013. The composition is nickel, and taking a look here, 1994. There are about 16 million minted, and they go from 12 to 31 cents. The last coin I'm going to be covering from the Netherlands today is the 1979 5-cent piece. The coin type, of course, circulation coins, and the period was Queen Juliana. She reigned from 1940 to 1980. The composition is bronze. They're round and smooth when it comes to the type of coin. And in US dollars, these types of coins are worth about 15 cents.
Well, those were the
only 7 countries I didn't have many coins from, and I have many more coins to go. So if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon. My email and social media are down below, so do whatever you want with that information. And until next time, my name is Just a Fun Guy, and I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.